To make floors of the project, we will use one of installed plugins. But first we will arrange the workspace. So I will turn off sketch tag, also floor plan tag. Then turn on the parallel projection view. From camera, choose parallel projection and choose the front view. Then open the walls group and select only the bottom edges. Try to narrow selecting boundary. Check the selection. Then with Face Creator plugin from extensions, select North Face Creator. So now we make faces for interior floors. We will make every face a group. Double click to select, then press G to make group. Like this for every face. After that, back to perspective view. Select all floor groups. And cut it, Ctrl X, and close the walls group. Then paste it, press V, paste in place. After that we will note the doors openings have a base. We will delete it to make the opening starts from the floor directly. In each opening, push it down 50 centimeters. Same for all openings. Still, there are two lines, we will delete them for all openings. Select like this and delete them for all openings. Close the group. Each door needs to complete its step. This part called step, so we need to add it to the floor. To specify the end for each floor, turn on floor plans tag. We will find that reception floor starts from out. Turn off the tag. Then open this group and add a face here. Delete this line. Then draw a rectangle here. Delete this line. Notice that here the two lines wasn't deleted. Open the walls group and delete them. And here we will check in the floor plan this part follow which space or room. It's following the reception. We will add it to the reception. Delete this line. Also this floor. This lobby floor may add it to the washer floor. So we will cut this group and paste it in place inside lobby floor. Control X, open this group, press V, then delete these lines. Explode this group, delete this line also. Now floor is continuous from reception to this area. Then the bathroom floor, it will start from inside after this line. Sitting area floor is same with the patio floor. So we will merge them, cut and paste in place, then explode, draw a rectangle here, and erase these lines. Now this is one floor, and this floor continuous to here. Erase this line. Push up all floors 50 centimeters. Check the floor plan to review the floors. Note the shower floor is different level of the bathroom. Open its group. Then draw a line here. And push down this floor 2 centimeters.